What's up, everybody? Evan here with Evan's Detailing and Polishing, hanging out with Paul Springer over here at Springer's Detailing out in California. He's going to show us how to use this new clay pad. Look at that, a battery-powered orbital. Watch this, check it out.
This truck, you rub your hand, most people when you rub your hand over the paint, you can feel rough. It feels like sandpaper. It's fallout, overspray, all kinds of contaminants in the air. Let me show you how to get these off real easy. Without using clay, I'm going to use this clay pad. Really want to keep it wet. This is just a waterless wash. Any quick detail or waterless wash is a good lube. You want plenty of lube. Spray a little bit on there.
First time I saw you do this, I was blown away at how simple this was.
So simple. Light pressure, easy.
Why do you use the cordless?
Because I'm working in water constantly and I don't want to cord in the water. I don't want to cord around my back. And look how easy that is. You can do anything with it. I need to rinse that.
What are you seeing now?
Got any rust particles are removed and it feels like a baby's butt.
Nice. Looks super simple. Almost anybody could do that.
Anybody can do it. Suggest getting one of these because it's really so simple. Try to keep it simple. So this is the clay pad. It's got Velcro backing. Spongy. Goes right on my pad. Works really good in these little rooms.